We got truncated there because of Google's amazing features of feature of 30-minute recording only. So let's continue very quickly. We were thinking of commercial impact proxies because you'll not get sales data always. Let's look at Amazon reviews or ratings. Let's look at crowdfunding interest. That's a great proxy, for example, for understanding products that are not in the mainstream crowdfunding, products that are widely popular today than e-commerce. And through that, you have an understanding of what kind of offerings are making commercial impact today and what seem like the signals for tomorrow. When we did this, we layered a few data sources to help them answer this question. And this is keep in mind, in a world before there were melatonin gummies or the kind of sleep related products out there, which in a way is a partly a result of this kind of work that we did with this big pharma company in a way to push, okay, people are moving away from pills to holistic medicine. So what it could be. And gummies, for example, is just one manifestation of what's come out of it. So what we did was we layered search, what people are looking for when they think of sleep, what are the issues that they're describing, behavioral data, crowdfunding, again, a behavioral data, what kind of projects are winning, app data, again, a very behavioral data, set in terms of how many downloads are these fitness trackers and fitness apps getting that promise some features around sleep, reviews, performative, e-commerce reviews, performative uh, data points. So there's a mix of behavioral and performative data points to help you answer that question. That hopefully gives you a sense of how you could identify the signals and proxies that answer your question, how you could layer them. Before this, we talked about how you frame that question. What you should be thinking of now, and what we want you to do before your class uh, on the 4th of November, is go back to your groups. I know you have got a range of different questions that you're trying to answer using data for culture in this module. So identify first where you could find like the data to really answer your project questions. I'm assuming that you've already framed your research question in terms of what you need to therefore understand. So if your brief is around understanding the influence of K culture, I think one of them was, uh, for example. So that is the question from the business point of view. What is your framing of the research question? If you've not done that, first do that. Then think of the framing or the layering of data sources. So where's your data available? If you once you frame it, you know what you're looking for to answer those questions. Where's that data? What would it look like? So how would I layer it? So come back with a strong perspective on where's the data out there in the world of open data that can answer your project questions. Come back with a long list of sources as long as you can. Think about whether it's structured or it's unstructured. Think about whether it's performed or whether it's behavioral. And think about whether it's a proxy or a signal. That's something that we want you to go back and think about. And when you come back, let's have a chat about what data sources you chose, what framing did you define, and let's have a conversation about how we could refine it and therefore understand how do we get into the next step, which is that iterative interrogation and understanding how you now make sense of all of this data that you've collected. Yeah. So that's about it for the pre-read. Thank you so much and really looking forward to see you guys. Thanks.